He on fish. What we're doing today is just comparing the action 4 to the action 5. Notice the screen. One is brighter in ways than the other, and they're both set to 68% brightness level. They both will shut down about the same time. One will have an overlay that you choose. You have a LED that is there, and you could choose an LED on the screen. So there we are. What I want to do is hit it right about here when it goes to sleep. You think that's fair? They have corrected the issue of having the voice command go on. Thank you. So let's shut the voice command off. What I want to do is just bring your attention to the custom to show you what it looks like. Everybody else is showing you. You have a choice now of different things, and that is nice. I like to vlog, I like to walk, and I like to bike. I have those profiles, but they don't preset the profiles. If they would have presetted the profiles, that would have been awesome, but they have not. Maybe the next time DJI will do that. GoPro is already ahead of the schedule doing that. I want to show you in Super Night, and I want to show you in regular video mode. But I want to show you when I swipe over for a second. 1, 2. I like the way this stays on a little longer. It gives me an option to say, oh, let me choose that if I'm interrupted. This is what I want to show you. If I go into the settings, I don't have anything additional to choose like color profile, image adjustment. We no longer have low light priority enabled. I really want to show you this. I want to bring your attention down to the exposure auto on both cameras. Now we are set up correctly. Before, if I was over here and the light was just a little bit different, this would have said 1/100. This would have said 1/200. And there we are. We are actually on 1/120, 1/200. But here I am on -1 and 0.7 EV. Did I lose you yet? Look at my EV value. If I go over to any of the other modes and I want to choose an EV value, it doesn't save it. It doesn't save it in the camera. It saves it in each of the modes. I wonder how true that could be. I'm in 0.7 of here. Let me bring it over to slow-mo. Click on it, exposure lock, and I never knew that it separated that. That's a good thing. Thumbs up to that. I click on that. So there you have, some very interesting things. Now, if I go in here to the cog gear and I swipe down to always on display, I go to the style, and there's where, when the screen dims down only, you can have it in those 3 particular orders. They have an LED there. That is only when the screen dims down to standby. So let me make sure I'm on the right one. Close off. This is very important. You don't see any bullets when I hit record at all. You see a blinking light on the other one with the red solid bullet. So let's hit record. They start up both at the same time nicely. I don't know if I'm recording. I have it blinking on and off. Maybe they can make that blinking on and off and correct it. On the front and the back, it'll be the same. you have a hourglass. So let's press together. They almost both start up at the same time. Press together. They shut down. Press. I'm able to record. I apologize for my tripod falling on the floor. So I'm not sure what the other person was saying that it wasn't that fast to go. So let's shut it down because I canceled the recording hibernation. I'm going to have to shut the camera down this particular way and do it his way. This shuts off a little later. As soon as the camera goes off, here we go. Stop the recording. Press it, and they both don't go. They both go on, and do it one more time. As soon as it goes off, this will go on, and that didn't go on. So there you go. I kind of like, yeah, I guess it's a little tricky to get it to the way you want.